always so different? Why am I always...
Naruto, stop that! What are you doing?
I worked so hard to get here, pushing myself until it hurt. Training alone for hours. Anything to get stronger, to reach my dream. I will never back down again and let someone else rescue me. I will never run away, and I will not lose to Sasuke. Upon this wound, I make this pledge. Believe it. Bridge Builder, I'll complete this mission and protect you with this kunai knife. A real ninja never gives up, and neither will I. Don't you guys worry about me, I'll be fine. Now let's go!
Tuning in, everybody. We are taking a look today at the Playmobil set number 71096. This is Playmobil's Naruto Shippuden Naruto Clicky from the Naruto Manga and animated series. Naruto Uzumaki is the main protagonist of the Naruto Shippuden manga, comic, and anime series. On the day of his birth, his village was attacked by the Nine Tails, a beast in the form of a fox with 9 tails who hated humans. Ultimately, the village leader and most powerful shinobi, known as the Hokage, defeated the Nine Tails even at the expense of Naruto's parents, who were killed in the attack. Without any other family or older siblings to look up to, Naruto was orphaned, having to fend for himself, as the villagers often shunned him, believing he was responsible for the appearance of Nine Tails. Without parental guidance, Naruto was rebellious and a prankster, but yearned to be a great shinobi. The story sees Naruto's growth, both mentally and physically, as he matures and fights his way to becoming the Hokage to his village, even defeating the Nine Tails beast. Well, from a certain point of view. But that's going to be for a whole nother channel that I'm not going to have anything to do with. Go ahead and look it up. This is Playmobil. We're going to stick with that. So not too much going on here on the front. It is a cool looking box cover. It's very simple, and simplicity is beautiful, and I like it just the way it is. I kind of hate to open this one, but I can always get another one. Here is his cartoon appearance, his manga and anime appearance on the side here. He seems innocent enough, but yeah, he's a bit of a troublemaker, kind of a hardhead too. Here on this side we have the barcode and the QA code to show you a little readout, showing you the importance of recycling. Playmobil does use recycled materials now, and that's fantastic for Playmobil. On the back we have our Naruto figurine and his stand, his little shuriken, and this little knife tool that he's got there that we'll be taking a look at pretty soon. Per the norm, we have our choking hazard warnings in various languages. Here's the top, here's the bottom, and here's where I tear the box open to get our figure out. I'm actually pretty stoked at this because it's such a unique look. And I think I agree kind of with a lot of the old school fans of Playmobil. Like if they were to create these unique faces on all the Playmobil clickies now, it wouldn't be the same. It would lose its charm. So the fact that they come out with exclusive figures like this and change up the face a little bit, that's okay with me. I'm totally down with that. It does come with this little insert here. It comes with like a little poster. Very little poster, and a list of all the other clickies you can get for the series. And now we have our clicky. Not a whole lot here, but I'm excited to open this and present it to you all regardless. Oh, now this is different. I did not expect this. Hang on a second. Strangely, I guess it's strange. It's strange to me. He's got 2 different kind of hair pieces. And that's exciting because, oh wait a minute, it's the same hairpiece, but what you're supposed to do is put the headband in between the 2. That's cool. It's made to look like there's two pieces. You can use this. You can use just this piece. Do I have a hat available? Yeah, I do. So if you wanted to, you could give him a hat and still use the original regular hair piece. Which this is a nice hair piece. It's a little scruffy, but it's cool. I think Playmobil needs to release more of these new hair pieces on different figures. Well, it's not the most ideal version of him, but it'll have to do. Comes with a stand, and that's okay because I'm gonna probably put him up on my shelf. I don't like how the front of this is flat. It looks like it needs to fit. I just don't. It's frustrating. Oh, I thought it would be cool if this little dagger thingy would have a little place to put. Like, this is a rubber piece too. Why couldn't they just mold that onto there and make it so you can put this on his leg? Keep wanting to put this up. And then he has a shuriken. I dig this figure. And here's a side-by-side comparison with Naruto and Might Guy from another previous unboxing that we did. He actually stands taller than Guy. Ugh, that face. I just don't get it. And that right there concludes our unboxing and review of Naruto Uzumaki of the Naruto Shippuden manga and animated series. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for future Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again very soon right here on Playmo AF. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.